Hi and welcome to another instrument choice support video. In this video we'll show you how to set up and measure the Brix percentage of fruit using the IC-PAL-1. We will measure 3 types of fruit and we'll need a knife, a plastic pipette, distilled water, the IC-PAL-1 Brix Refractometer and some tissues. At the beginning of each day before taking a measurement or after changing the batteries, it's essential to perform a zero set calibration. To do so, take approximately the 0.3 mils of water and place it onto the prism. Then press the start button to confirm the water measures at 0.0. If the device is not reading at 0.0, press the 0 button. Otherwise, wipe away the water and proceed to measurement. We'll start with an apple. Using the knife, cut a wedge away. Score the wedge. Then squeeze out the juice, approximately 0.3 mils onto the prism. This apple was not very juicy. Press the start button to obtain a Brix measurement. Within 3 seconds, the result of 14.8 appears on the screen. Wipe away the sample thoroughly, ensuring that there is no residue. Time to measure a grape. It's easiest to cut the grape in half and then squeeze out the juice. Press start and then within a few seconds we have the grape's Brix percentage of 20.5. Clean off the sample from the grape thoroughly to make room for the pear. Just like the apple, we will cut a wedge out of the pear, score and squeeze the juice onto the prism. Pressing start reveals the same Brix percentage as the apple we tested in the beginning. Once testing is finished at the end of the day, it's good practice to wash the refractometer down with warm water and a mild detergent, then dry it with tissues. We hope that you found this video on how to measure Brix in fruit using the IC-PAL-1 helpful. Thanks for watching.